So I tore the engine out of the car so I could rebuild the whole thing. Hold on. And here it is. So yeah, still a good engine. Just needs, I'm trying to clean it up. Getting all that grease and everything off there. But yeah, bought a new engine stand for it. All pistons are good. None of them are broke. They're all working. And then there's where it's been draining. There's the manifold and the catalytic converter. There's the other one. Yep. And then the hubcaps. I got the other fourth one over here. And then I'm checking the thermostat right now. Seems to be working just fine. It's actually opening. I don't know if it opens up any farther than that, but we'll find out. And that's on sale at Walmart right now for $5 at Marshall Walmart. And then there's our new vehicle because she wrecked the SUV. That's my mower I just bought for like $125 a few months ago. It's not the best, but it works. But yeah, we upgraded to a van. I just stepped on a slug. A slug. But yeah. And I put a little dog sticker on the window. And this is what them tarps look like whenever they're folded out. Pretty neat. But here's the car. The Fat and the Furious. I gotta replace the boots. Check check everything. I'm gonna check the transmission before I stick the engine back in. I got new headlights. New turn signal, parking light. But yeah. Got the engine out so I can fully rebuild it. I haven't gotten some parts for it. I'm gonna replace everything that I can, all the sensors. Whatever needs to be replaced, it's getting replaced before I put the engine back. There's my cherry picker. But yeah, my actual daughter come back in my life late last year. And I've been just getting to know her and, learning about her. She's a pain in the ass, just as smart as me. And then, beginning of this year, I got in a wreck in the semi. And then a few months ago, I quit trucking for now. I'm wanting to find more info on the lease to own program. About buying my own semi. And then me choosing my loads and all that shit. I'm learning how to do that. But when the time comes right, I'll start that and learn about that shit. But for now, yeah, that's what I'm doing with the Mitsubishi. Just fucking got the engine pulled out, rebuilding the whole damn thing. That way I ain't got to deal with any other bullshit. But, well, if you want to know anything else, or if you got some details about the car or some parts that you might want to sell me, hit me up.